What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Okay, guys, so get this. Kurt got his car back from the dyno. Everything is complete, guys. The car is straight heat. Guys, it is so dope. It's got so much done to it now. He's about to pull up, and I want to show you guys what we have in stores for you today. We have a banger video, and you guys are going to love this one because there's a lot of exhaust sounds, there's a lot of pops, and there's a lot of stuff that's going to happen. I have a whole agenda for today, and not only today am I making one video, I'm going to be making 2 videos low-key, so you know, we on that grind. Guys, I'm loving my personal exhaust on my Subaru so far. The Tomei, it's straight heat, guys. It gives it more of that deep rumble that I didn't have before. All right, here comes Kirk. He's about to pull up. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys heard that. Let me grab my speaker.
Hey, let's go listen to that exhaust.
Okay, man. Kirk hasn't heard my exhaust yet, so I'm gonna do this for him real fast. Oh, I gotta grab my keys. Always gotta do that. Bro, what'd you think about it?
That looks lit. Dude, it's like River's old big old douche cannon.
Yup. And I hate that it hangs down a little bit. That's the only thing I don't like.
I don't really think it looks bad.
But
the welds look bad as
right, dude.
It looks so sick.
But bro, look what I found out. It's a nameless. Oh, right here. Oh, yeah, it says nameless on there.
Bet, sell it.
I know.
No, dude, you probably could sell this.
Yeah, no,
like, definitely.
Wait, now you rev it so I can hear it. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, bro.
Wait until you get downpipe.
Oh, dude, downpipe's gonna scream.
Oh, this would be so crazy.
I was just telling him how you got your Subi back, bro.
Yep.
It's fully done now.
Dude, I'm so happy. I love it.
Bro, we gotta spit some facts about all the stuff you just did.
Yeah. Oh, let's show them real quick.
Oh, bet.
Show them. Got the injector dynamics,
Yup.
TGVs.
Oh, dude, those look clean.
Yeah.
Those look clean, bro.
Well, here,
Oh, fuel pressure regulator.
fuel
Dude.
gauge.
Nice, bro. I didn't know it come with a gauge like that. That's so sick, dude. TGV deletes, bomb. We got the grim speed, It made 350 pretty much, or 340 something.
Well, so we hit 340, like 347 and 380 torque.
Yeah.
And then, you know, he just tuned it down a little bit, and we ended up getting like 328 wheel and 348 torque. So pretty much 330 and 350.
Oh, okay, bet.
Just kind of what I've been telling people because that's easier to tell.
Oh, dude, and then he put the snap, crackle, pop tune, or what? What is he? I've heard like
pop
3
tune.
Pop tune, bro. I'm so.
I didn't ask for flames. I just asked for pops. So I don't think it shoots flames.
Oh, there's a certain way to make a pop.
Yeah, now it's super easy. You just kind of got to figure out how to work it.
Oh my gosh, you guys ready for this? This exhaust about to pop.
I'll probably wait to do a full.
Okay.
We hit the freeway.
Yeah.
Just to be safe.
Just to be safe.
Or to the highway. I'm going 89.
Okay, bet. Dude, it doesn't even sound the same.
You have to be decelerating.
Okay.
Just kind of have to give it like, he was like saying like 3% throttle. Like just enough to put a little fuel in there. But, and, you know, like I said, going uphill doesn't work that well.
For sure, we'll get it.
If you go downhill, it's just like.
Bro! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, dude, pop.
Dude!
I did it in a tunnel, it's so loud.
Oh my gosh!
It's like I've only had 3 customers ever have their car catch on fire, but it was people with heat wrap. So he's like, just carry a
You
fire
got heat wrap, bro.
He's like, carry fire extinguisher.
Next vid, we're mounting a fire extinguisher in Kirk's whip so we don't catch on fire.
Badass.
That's so sick, dude. Bro, honestly, I'm so hyped for this car, dude.
Just wait.
Dude, I haven't. We're finally breaking into the 3s with the Subarus, because with Kirk and I both having Subarus, we've never really broke the 300s. So we're finally getting into that. It's getting nice now. I love it. I'm excited to feel this, bro. Oh my gosh. All right, boys, 330 to the wheels. Here we go. Freshly tuned, freshly built. Oh, dude. Kirk tells me on the way home, he's like, my face hurt because I couldn't stop smiling. The external wastegate. Oh my gosh. Alright, now it's just time for a bigger turbo, bro, and you're gonna be smacking. That's all you got left, right? That's all you can do is push the bigger turbo
I was
now.
like, so what can I do? Because I was kind of wondering why it didn't make more than that, because Richard kind of hyped it up like it was gonna make a lot more power.
And Richard is the guy that sold him that green turbo that you guys seen he just recently installed.
So we'll have to get something a little bigger. want something that's gonna spool fast still too.
Yeah.
So it's a little hard to pick turbos. I'm gonna actually ask Ryan when we get there what he thinks I should put on this setup.
Okay.
Probably a 20 G, but I don't know if I want Richard. So.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know about.
Well, I'm just gonna ask him what he thinks.
But dude, honestly, where you're sitting right now is perfect for a good minute.
Oh yeah, I'm more than happy with the turbo. It spools up fast. It makes good power.
Dude, that felt amazing, bro.
Yeah.
That felt amazing. I love Subarus. Oh my gosh, this is my first reaction to this car since it's been done. Got it done yesterday. I'm super hyped about it, guys. We got some stuff planned for today. We got to run some errands real fast, and then we're gonna end up back at the tuning shop. We gotta pick up his old injectors, and then we're gonna ask our pro tuner a couple questions, and then we're gonna go get the Subaru's tires rotated. All right.
I noticed the speedometer dude just goes so fast now.
Really? Like the RPMs?
No, like the speedo.
Oh.
It just climbs so fast.
That's so dope.
I always catch myself speeding now.
Yeah, that's dope. Alright boys, here comes a tunnel. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops, but they're so sick. Next video, River gets a big turbo pop tune installed, everything, gang. We actually just went to Salt Lake. Kirk actually had LASIK eye surgery done on his eyeballs, and we had to get a little checkup. We just left there. We're heading down to Ons. This is our boy that hooks it up with the wheels. If you guys remember the wheel video, that's where we're going. He's gonna get his tires rotated, so we're gonna do that, and then the next stop. All right, boys, we just pulled up. Hopefully we can just get the Subi in and out. Let's go see what's good.
Did I forget to change it?
I know, I changed it all around. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You don't want me. All right, dude, I honestly want to hear some more snap, crackle, pop. More pop, dude. Tires rotated, nice, dude. It's always nice to get done. Now we back on this grind of something. Let's go do something. Oh yeah, he walks in the door. Hey, Subaru. He even pointed at us. He was like, Subaru, yup, that's us.
Exhausted.
It's so loud. Look at this big truck they got here. Boom. That's heat. That's a heater. All right, boys, here's a good little sound clip of the Snack Crackle Pop. Here we go, Kurt. My God. That is insane, bro.
Yeah, you can get like just a couple pops just revving it, but you get a ton if you're actually driving.
If you're actually driving. And like you said, you have to be over 3,500 RPMs, and then you let off. There's a way to do it. Y'all like Subarus? Hey! Ah, never mind. He said gun it. Nice.
Did he say gun it?
Yeah, he said gun it! And what we do, we gun it.
Behind me honk at me?
I don't know, probably. Shut up! I can take my time to turn in my Subaru if I want. Also, I get the most hate for this because I park kind of like a B word. But dude, I'm in a Subaru, bro. I park how I want. I park it like it's a Lamborghini. Alright, dude. All I know is I'm hungry. We're about to roll up to the tuning shop. We're actually just gonna grab Kirk's old injectors. We have a guy that actually wants to buy them off him. This is what I had in my WRX was the stock STI one, so they're pretty good injectors. We're gonna swoop those, let someone else use them. Talking. There's also a tunnel as we leave here, so we're gonna get a little clip afterwards, so you're gonna want to see that for sure, and it's a dank tunnel. Too bad there's a stop sign right on the other side, but coming back, right? Or should we just do it right now? A little something right here. He says that.
I was fire.
Bro! Pop tune. There's always so many Subarus here, no matter what, but what's dope is they're all lit. They have 9 stray cats?
That's what they got, and they just come here and eat all the time.
Oh, they got them set out food, but yo, this Subi's lit though. Yeah, you can tell it's got some Modi mods on it.
Is Ryan on the dyno?
He's not.
Bro, they got YouTube on display? Oh!
20 minutes. Oh!
That is heat.
We gotta watch it.
Yeah. Alright, let's yeah.
Post.
You need a cup of water for the vlog? I usually never watch my own videos, but I'm about to right now. Oh, dude, yeah, watch this, bro. This is some good stuff.
So this is my favorite stock location turbo. So this is a Garrett. This is their new GTX 3076. I would expect on your car, we're usually seeing somewhere around 350 to 370 to the wheels on the with this setup. There are other stock location turbos that are bigger that will make more power, but they're terrible bottom end.
Yeah.
Like, you have nothing until like 5,500 RPMs.
Really?
They're garbage.
Okay.
So that's what I call Dyno Queen.
Yeah.
Made a lot of numbers. A lot of high numbers, but that's all it's good for.
Yeah.
So overall drivability and power, this is my favorite. It is a little bit cheaper. This is basically the exact same turbo as this. It's their own bearing housing, and it's not labeled as a Garrett.
Okay.
But
Oh, and that one's a ball bearing too. Wow.
yeah.
You
For
know,
under
I
2K,
probably-
that's pretty good.
Yeah, I kind of want a ball bearing too, because I want to keep the spool, you know, I want to make, you know, keep all that. All right, thanks, man.
Okay. All right. See you guys.
Yeah, see ya. That's not a bad gig, bro.
Yeah. But dude, now when I think about it, I think I got a killer down. When you think about
Oh.
how much I paid for my turbo and
Yeah.
how much power I made, like
Yeah,
that's
definitely.
freaking killer.
The STI is leaving. Honestly, that thing is so dope. Oh my gosh, guys. The end results of his Subaru is insane. It's lit. I'm super hyped for him. That's a big jump, just going from 0 to 100 real quick, I swear. All right, guys, that's gonna have to end it for today's video. I'll see you guys all in a couple days. All right, peace.